in the golden glow of dawn's embrace, whispers of wind wave through the palms grace. Love, gentle touch in every sunrise. Who are timeless dance forever. True. Beneath the stars are silent. Wow. Nature's symphony. This movement now. Heart beats merge with the ocean song. A serenade of love, pure and strong. In moonlight dreams, your essence gleams. A tapestry of stars, our love's extremes. Through desert, sand and mountains, crest in your eyes. I find my eternal quest. Amidst the deserts, endless dunes, where whispers linger in twilight tunes. A soul wanders seeking its fate in the sands of time. Love does await beneath the azure Arabian sky, where falcons soar, dreams arise. A heart beats with passion. Why? Longing deep, burning desire. In each sunrise, promise a new journey share just me and you through oases, blooms and ancient law. Our love stay forevermore with every step these desert signs choose of love in starlight skies in your eyes the constellations gleam a universe woven in our dream. From Dubai skyline to rugged peaks. From Dubai skyline to rugged peaks. Love journey unfolds. No words it speaks. Silent language understood by heart where love canvas paints its art where love canvas paints its art through sand of time. Through sands of time, we walk as one in the embrace of the Arabian sun. In the embrace of the Arabian sun, with whispered prayers. With whispered prayers, our souls entwine, our souls entwine, a love story written, a love story written, divine. So let the wine carry our whispered wow. Through oases, whispers, and desert bows for in each movement, for in each movement, our love is found. Our love is found in the sands of Arabia, in the sands of Arabia, forever bound. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.